Somalians. Now, every Somalian family has at least 4 siblings and 1 on the way. Their sex drive is crazy. Or they're just strategic with how they make their money. I don't really know, but I swear they live life like it's Clash of Clans because every 10 minutes a new soldier pops out. 1 second they're yelling at their kids, "What ya? What ya?" Next second, they're in their bedroom making 2 Mohammeds and an Abdullahi. Now, Somalian guys, though, they're the funniest people on this planet. You know how some people say, "Hey, ma nigga," or "ma nicka"? Well, Somalians say it like they don't believe in commas or a space, like, "Hey, manigi, 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 yo, manigi, you good?" Now, I respect Somalians because they look out for their people and only their people. They are stingy as hell, and they don't share for shit unless you are Somalian. If you're any other race, you ain't getting none of that. You can be like, "Hey, man, I ain't even tried those chips before. You mind if I have a couple?" "Bro, please, I haven't eaten since Thursday, bro. Chill, chill. Wallah, next time." Next thing you know, another Somalian walks by, and he's all excited, talking about, "Hey, Ahmed, my nigga, you hungry, bro?" And you know what? I got no problem with that. You're looking out for your peeps, that's respect. But if you've ever chilled with a Somalian guy for more than 2 hours, then you know they love to make excuses and exaggerate. You beat them in 2K, they blame it on the game sliders. You cross them over in real life, they blame it on their shoelaces. Meanwhile, they got Velcro straps on. And the worst is when they're playing soccer and they get kicked in their ankle talking about, "Wallahi, I have broken those." Hey, if you want to see more videos of me talking about different races, then hit that like and that share button, because 2016, no race is safe. Yo, wallahi, if you click the like and share the button, you're my nigga for life, bro.